At which place was Gandhiji arrested for the first time by the British government for sedition? Answer is option C, Ahmedabad. An ordinary bill passed by the State Assembly can be delayed by the Legislative Council for maximum period of. Answer is option A, 4 months. Asteroids are found between the orbits of. Answer is option D, Mars and Jupiter. The planet known as the twin of the Earth is. Answer is option B, Venus. Tiger Woods is associated with. Answer is option D, golf. When was the game of football included in the Olympics? Answer is option A, 1908. What happens when a chemical bond is formed? Answer is option D, either A or B. Which among the following is added to commercial nitric acid to make it colored? Answer is option A, nitrogen dioxide. If water smells bad, then that odor can be removed by adding. Answer is option C, activated carbon. In which state is the festival of Uttarayan uniquely celebrated? Answer is option D, Gujarat. Which of the following is the deepest mine of the world? Answer is option D, Maponeng Gold Mine, South Africa. The innermost layer of the earth is mainly made up of. Answer is option B, nickel and iron. As per 2011 census, the state in India with highest urban population is. Answer is option D, Maharashtra. Central Excise Day is observed every year on which day? Answer is option C, 24th February. Who among the following was the first ruler of Lodhi dynasty? Answer is option B, Bahlol Lodhi. River Satluj originates from. Answer is option D, Rakshastal Lake. How many countries does India share its land borders with? Answer is option B, 7. In which of the following regions mangrove forests are not found? Answer is option D, Kaveri Delta. Which one of the following regions of India has a combination of mangrove forest, evergreen forest and deciduous forest? Answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Which Indian dance style is the oldest one? Answer is option B, Bharatanatyam. Who is empowered to transfer a judge from one high court to another high court? Answer is option B, President of India. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer is option A, 6. Which of the following metals was unknown to the people of Harappan civilization? Answer is option C, iron. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Answer is option D, A.O. Hume. The annual Royal Kathina ceremony is associated with which of the following religions? Answer is option B, Buddhism. Why do water droplets always take a round shape when dropped onto plane surfaces? Answer is option B, due to exertion of surface tension by the molecules. Which of the following physical quantities has no unit? Answer is option D, relative density. Which of the following is not a unit of speed? Answer is option D, meter square per hour. What is the process of conversion from solid to gas is known as? Answer is option A, sublimation. Blood group was discovered by? Answer is option C, Landsteiner. Who was the finance minister of India during the new economic policy? Answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. Gandhiji's first satyagraha in India was held at blank. Answer is option D, Champaran. The Red Fort in Delhi was the residence of emperors of which dynasty in the 17th century? Answer is option B, Mughal. Short run marginal cost curve cuts the short run average cost curve from blank at the minimum point of short run average cost. Answer is option A, below. What is the percentage of oxygen in air? Answer is option B, 21%. Which is the deepest lake in the world? Answer is option D, Lake Baikal. What is the national animal of Bangladesh? Answer is option A, Royal Bengal tiger. The oldest oil field in India is in blank. Answer is option C, Digboi, Assam. Hatti gold mines are located in which state? Answer is option A, Karnataka. Jadugoda mines are famous for? Answer is option D, uranium deposits. Which of the following helps in repair of tissue and fills up the space inside the organ? Answer is option B, areolar. Economic justice as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution has been provided in? Answer is option B, the preamble and the directive principles of state policy. In terms of size, Titan occupies the blank place among the natural satellites in our solar system. Answer is option A, second. What color of light is formed when red, blue and green colors of light meet in equal proportion? Answer is option C, white. Ganja is a product of? Answer is option A, cannabis plant. Manas sanctuary in Assam is known for? Answer is option D, tigers. Why are bryophytes called amphibians of plant kingdom? Answer is option B, they live in soil but require water for reproduction. Seeds swell when it is placed in water is due to? Answer is option C, imbibition. The weight of an object will be minimum when it is placed? Answer is option C, at the center of the earth. By which method does heat transfer from the sun to the earth? Answer is option B, radiation.